Divide 975 by 3 in long division method. 3 times 3 is 9. On subtracting, we get 0. So now we put down this 7 and 3 times 2 is 6. On subtracting, we get 1. So again we put down this 5 and it is 15. So 3 times 5 is 15. On subtracting we get 0. So 975 divided by 3 is 325. So this much for today and thanks for watching.